I didn't get to drive it first. My dad took it, and him and Mikey went on a drive. Then he came back and he hopped out. He had a grin ear to ear, and he said, "You got to hop in and drive this thing." It's fast. I mean, it's not only a daily driver car, but it still has the ability to make big horsepower. It's a lot of fun to drive. Puts a smile on all our face every time we drive it. It is a heavy car. I bet you that car probably weighs close to 4,000 pounds, but she gets down on the street. A car like that, it's got to sound good because people are going to hear it driving down the road. You're going to hear it riding in it. We don't alter the outside of the car at all, because I mean, a 57, there's no altercations needed. It looks beautiful the way it does. A 57's got so much chrome on it, it's pretty hard to make them look bad. Other than the aerodynamics of a shoebox, there's really not much you can do on these cars. That car was kind of a mad thrash. I mean, that was less than 3 months to build that car, because if not, he was going to take my car, which was all fine and dandy, but I wanted to race my car. So it was kind of like a just... It was a 50-50 effort between me, my dad, and a bunch of our good friends. Me and my dad did majority of the chassis work. Then I had a good friend of ours, Kirk, come down and do all the stainless. Another good friend of mine, Mike Hamilton, he wired it while we were just buttoning up other odds and ends. So, I mean, it was really a team effort to get it done. I mean, there was a good bit that was very challenging on it, you know, and trying to get everything to look right and the body to line back up right. You know, that's a big feat on those cars, because usually when you pull them back apart, they don't go back together the same. So. Yeah, we decided to find another chassis other than the one that was factory to the car. Getting the body off of that chassis and onto the new one with all the modifications we made, because we had no clue what we were gonna have to cut out. It's always cool to, like, car like that, you can drive to the track, race it, then drive it home. No, I love 57s. It's definitely one of my favorite cars. I don't know, there's just something about a 57 that you just can't replicate in any other car. You know, the chrome, the fins, just the body styling, it's just very unique.